Hey everyone, this is Michael Trethart, International Technology Instructor. Want to let you know about another class that we have coming to the Oklahoma City area. This is going to be on March 15th, courtesy of Legacy Title, AMC Mortgage, and Farmers Insurance, Trevor Randall. And what we're going to be doing on Wednesday, March 15th from 9 a.m. to 2:30 p.m. Central Time is taking you through 5 hours of CE credit. And what we're going to do in the morning is generate more leads for free. Now, the record for this class, 63 listings in 1 hour for one agent. Definitely got to be there for that one. We're going to do that from 9 a.m. to noon. We'll take our lunch break. We'll come back from 12:30 to 2:30. We're going to go in and talk about video marketing for real estate. Video is huge for a business. We all know that, but many of us struggle with how do we start? How do we get this set up? We're going to get all of that answered for you in that session. And again, just like before, all of my classes for agents who attend on site, completely free. So you're going to get 5 hours of CE credit for Oklahoma real estate licensing, completely free. Everyone else, you guys can join us online via Zoom, and then everybody has an option to purchase the recording for this as well. All you got to do is register below, and we'll see you guys on Wednesday, March 15th. Thanks.